You wanna ace that government job interview? You are in the right video. Government agencies here in the Philippines usually implement behavioral event interview or also known as BEI kapag nagkakandak sila ng interview sa mga job applicants. Ang BEI ay isang technique na ginagamit ng mga HR practitioners including those in the government for them to assess yung past behavior and level of competency ng applicant in a specific job-related situation. So how does this work? So based from my experience, because I have been a member of the HRM TSB panel, a committee in charge or responsible for the selection and recruitment of employees inside the government agency. In the DOH hospital na pinagtatrabahuhan ko, this is how we do it. Disclaimer, pwedeng iba yung processes or practice ng ibang government agency. There are sets of questions prepared by the panel members before the schedule of the interview. And then on the spot, the applicant will bunot or magdodraw sila ng question that they will answer on the spot. So yes, answering the question is what you should prepare for. Huwag kang mag-alala because I will be sharing with you a technique on how to nail that government job interview. The technique that I'm talking about is the STAR method. S stands for situation, T for task, A for action, and R for result. Sa method na to para ka lang nagkukwento. But at the same time, pinapakita mo na rin kung paano ka mag-isip, paano ka magtrabaho, and paano ka mag-handle ng certain situation. Let's say ito yung itinanong sa iyo. Can you give us a time when you had to handle multiple tasks with tight deadline? So, ibig sabihin, marami kang kailangang matapos, pero lahat sila malapit na yung due. Now, I will be giving you tips on how to answer this question using the STAR method. Okay, so for S situation, you have to describe the situation clearly but briefly. Since this is your starting point, kailangan ma-imagine ng interviewer kung ano yung setting, ano yung nagaganap during that time. For example, during the year end of 2025, my boss assigned me multiple tasks with overlapping deadlines. For the task, explain your specific role or responsibility. For example, ang task ko is to prepare those reports and submit them on time without errors or 100% accurate siya dapat. Next, action. This is the most important part and dapat dito ka magfo-focus. Be as specific as possible because the goal is for them to understand and show them kung ano yung thought process mo, paano ka mag-organize ng trabaho, and kung paano ka makapagtrabaho or makipag-collaborate sa ibang katrabaho. An example response for this is I prioritize the task, I created a checklist of the things that I need to do, I set deadlines from the units that where the data will be coming from, set internal deadlines to allow for review and revision prior to submission, so on and so forth. R for result, wrap up your answer by stating the outcome or kung ano yung nangyari doon sa action na ginawa mo. Much better if quantifiable yung outcome na ibibigay mo. So for example, 100% of the reports were submitted on time with no errors. Or pwede rin naman na qualitative like good feedback or positive feedback from your boss or your supervisor. So that is STAR, situation, task, action, and result. That is how you answer during a BEI or behavioral event interview. Just a final tip, BEI is not about perfect answers. The HR is more interested in learning about your past experiences and how you handle situations at work. I hope this helps, and if it does, do not forget to repost and share.